This night we had Weasel attack. He killed 9 from our silky chickens, and 2 actually died from, they broke their hearts. They were afraid. Chickens easily die. I thought they're safe now. I let them out. My chickens are free ranged, and now they're locked. And we'll think how to make better protection for them. This lady's attacked her back, see. I treated it with this green granophorin solution. He's very kind. He will never harm her. I separated her from the others because they attacked her own fellows, her own brothers and sisters. They were just pecking her, so I thought I should keep her apart until she completely recovers, hopefully. Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama. Are you kind with her? She was attacked at night. See? And the other chickens are attacking her because they see she has blood on her back. I treated it with a special solution. Oh, Mama. Melchi. She doesn't want to eat, see? Stiga Melchi, don't eat her food. Since when you're eating grains? No. No. Leave her alone. See, today she's better. Mejone. Let me see her. She's better. She's moving. She's eating. See, I treat her with this green thing. Leave her alone. He's very gentle, but see? This is a chemical. She's much better. She was attacked by the weasel. And she spent here 24 hours. She couldn't even walk. We scared her. See, she's much better. I will bring her today to her sisters, finally. This chemical worked. Granophorin, the green one. See, ladies and gentlemen, this is Chocolate. She survived the attack of a weasel. We had weasel in the day. Look, normally our chickens stay all day out. We have this protection, but he managed to go through. The electricity of the electro protection didn't stop him, and he killed 9 from my silkies. Now we're keeping them to protect them in this smaller space. We have about 40-50 chickens. I forgot how many. But the silkies, see, we close them in this space. It's not small. They still feel very well here, but they like, of course, to be freer. So now, from about 30 silkies, we have 20 are gone. Very sad. I was in shock to find them all dead. He's killing them and he's drinking their blood. Very, very scary situation. So now they will have to stay here until I find better solution. So Chocolate is better now and I'm bringing her back. And gentlemen, this is our incubator. Here we are. See, I received some eggs from silkies I bought, and the rest, the brown ones, are from normal village chickens, because you know we had the weasel, and the weasel killed many chickens. So I was so upset. I bought immediately. So I have to turn them. See, I marked them, and I need to turn them twice a day, like their mothers would do. And then we did it on the 7th of October. So 21 days they need to stay here. Twice a day I need to turn them. I need to put a little bit of water on the bottom of this device. My boy is here, he's helping me. So, and I will show you, we will keep you informed when the first chickens come out. We are very upset, really. More than 10 chickens. I tell you, I think 10 died, 3 died out of fear. And my most favorite chocolate, you saw the beautiful fluffy chocolate died. I found her dead in the morning. The Weasel is really, really terrible monster. So, dear friends, with our next videos, we will show you how our chickens are coming out from the eggs. This is really very, very beautiful, magical process. And you will see how cute and beautiful they are when they are very, very tiny. We will show you the silkies and also the village chickens because we have these two types of chicken eggs. So we'll see. Bye bye.